In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use locations in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to turn on location tracking, create your locations, and start using them on your day-to-day transactions so you can get clearer reports for different parts of your business. Let's start by enabling location tracking. In QuickBooks Online, go up to the gear icon in the top right corner and choose Account and Settings. This is where you control many of your overall company preferences. On the left-hand side, click on the Advanced tab. Here, look for the section labeled Categories. On the right side of that section, click the little pencil icon to edit these settings. You'll see an option that says Track Locations. Check that box to turn location tracking on, then click Save to apply the change. While you're here, you can also customize what QuickBooks calls your locations. For example, instead of location, you might want to label them as Department, Store, or Division, depending on how your business is organized. This doesn't change how the feature works, but it can make your reports easier to read and more intuitive for your team. Once tracking is enabled, it's time to create your actual locations. Click the gear icon again, then choose All Lists, or it may simply say Lists, depending on your version. From there, select Locations. This takes you to a list of every location you've set up. To add a new one, click the New button. A form will open where you can type in a name for the location, such as the name of a branch, a department, or a region. When you're done, click Save. Over time, you may need to update or clean up this list. You can edit a location by selecting it from the list and using the Action drop-down menu. From there, you can change its name or make it inactive if you no longer use it. Making a location inactive helps keep your lists tidy without losing past data tied to that location. Now let's look at how to assign locations to your transactions. Whenever you create something like an invoice, bill, or expense, you'll see a location field on the form. You can select a single location for the entire transaction, which is perfect when everything on that invoice or bill belongs to the same place or department. In some cases, you might want more detail. If your version allows it, you can assign different locations to individual line items within a single transaction. That way, you can break down income or expenses by location on the same document and later run reports that clearly show how each location is performing.